How to log in into Breezy HR account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in into Breezy HR account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your preferred browser. Click search bar and type in breezy.hr. Then press enter on your keyboard. Here you will reach on the official interface of Breezy HR. So simply to sign in, click sign in button at top right and you are on the sign in page. Here you got a multiple option to sign in using your Google, LinkedIn account and your Microsoft account. Simply, you can use your email account as well. Enter your company email address and the password. In case you forget your password, click forget your password link underneath this box and then recover your password. After entering all the credentials, click sign in button and you are good to go. You will successfully log in into your Breezy HR account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.